Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kaji Israt Hassaniva. I am working as a web developer in Condal IT. Today I am going to show you how to install XAMPP and WordPress in your local desktop. For downloading XAMPP, I have to go to my browser and search for XAMPP. Here we can see www.apachefriends.org. We have a download link. We will click on that. So we have Windows, Linux, and OS XAMPP link. As I am using Windows, I will click on this. It will take a few seconds to start downloading. Here, here you can see it started. But now I am going to click on cancel as I have previously downloaded it. As you can see, I have the folder in here. I have to extract this folder. After extracting this folder, we will have a folder in C drive. In here we can work. Now I am going to install WordPress. So now I am going to write WordPress.org. We have to be very clear about that we are not using WordPress.com, we are using WordPress.org. After that, we will have a link like this, download WordPress.org. We will click on this. So you can see here we have the link WordPress download. So I will click on this and very soon it will start downloading. Now I am going to open my file. Here we have the WordPress downloaded. Now simply I am going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in my C drive, XAMPP folder, htdocs. I'm going to paste it here. Here it is. And I'm going to extract them all. So it will take us few minutes to extract that folder. The process is almost done. Now I have an extracted folder here. Now I am going to rename it. For first project, I am going to do a portfolio. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to open XAMPP. Now I have to start Apache and MySQL. I have to be sure that they both are green. Now I will click on admin. So I will create a database named portfolio. Okay, the folder is created in database. Now I am going to open my WordPress folder. So from here I can select the language, so it will be English. Now I am going to click on let's go. Now the name of database is portfolio. Username will be root. Password will be blank. Now I am going to click on submit. Run the installation. So let's keep a Site title. We will keep it simply portfolio. You can keep any name you want. Username. User will be admin. Password. Let's keep a simple password. Confirm password. So let's have an email here. Don't click on this checkbox. Just install WordPress. So as you can see, I have successfully installed WordPress. The next process will be shown in another video. Thank you so much.